No copyright infringement intended. And please take this with a grain of salt. Good day, brothers and sisters. It was just last night that I was contemplating on the dream that I last shared. Was it scriptural? For I do not want to be deceived nor to deceive anyone. But praise Yahuwah, He gave me a confirmation this morning. The channel A Time for Judgment had just uploaded a video regarding the 15-minute smart cities that are being pushed by the World Economic Forum in the latest Davos 2023 Switzerland meeting. How amazing our Most High Yah is, as this meeting is taking place in Switzerland, which was mentioned in my dream, and quite interesting that the channel had used the white dome, which in my drawing shows as well. Just like in the dream video, they're using sustainability and environmental concern as an excuse to push this thing.
For policies really to change the rules of the game, to change the rules of the game, no? So that sustainability becomes the easier choice, not just for the people, but also for the companies, no? So I think an important measure in Switzerland was to have support for renewable energy, for energy efficiency, but also then changing the way districts work. For instance, in Zurich, we have a lot of districts where you actually don't need a car because all the activities, school, buying something, everything you can do in walking distance, And by doing that, people don't buy a car. And it's not felt like actually they would like to have a car and they are not allowed to have it. But they simply don't need it because the environment was built in a way that they don't need it. And I think this is what policy needs to do. They have to change the environment. So a sustainable lifestyle, a lifestyle in harmony with nature is the easiest way to go. And also for the companies, And here perhaps a last point. I really like what you said on following through, We had all these nice commitments. We had the Paris Agreement. We also here at World Economic Forum have every year very nice commitments. What's important is really to follow through.
This is the brazen plan by the elitist that wants to confine us all, to easily control us. They're mocking us. This is Denver Airport.
Watch out for 666. Watch out for 666. In a vision of the future, I saw in a vivid dream that the hour is soon coming when men will become machines. A new one world order will rise and then demand.
This concentration camp isn't just a theory, but it already happened before. In the past, they started with what? With book burning. They probably will burn the scriptures in the future. Regardless, they'll be taking us out of our homes, as they say. We will own nothing and be happy. The parallelism is uncanny. This time, the persecution will be more on the believers. The elitists will be happy to take our homes, our properties, while we will be cramped into small spaces, more like pods. They'll be savoring the fruits of our labor. As mentioned in the dream video, the transfer of people from one country to another country is not impossible. Their aim would be to break the spirit of people and the sense of family. Why? In order to prevent an uprising. An unorganized, dispirited people is easily manipulated.
Silence. I want everyone to listen to me carefully. This is a labor camp.
Labor, That's what they want, as they call us the useless eaters.
We have brought you here to work. You will work hard, but hard work is good for the soul. Hard work is good for the soul. So in reality, we are your benefactor. We are your benefactor. You will be housed, you will be fed. You will be housed, you will be fed. All we ask is your cooperation. Is your cooperation.
We need collaborative efforts. And the World Economic Forum here, Davos here, you here, I think it's the most impressive community for global cooperation.
If you do your jobs, you will have nothing to fear. You will have nothing to fear. You will be given postcards. Write to your relatives and friends to tell them that you have arrived here safely. We will mail them for you. Unfortunately, there have been reports that typhus has broken out at several labor camps. We do not want typhus at Sobibor. Therefore, first you will be taken to the shower facility, where you will each have a hot shower. Naturally, men and women will shower separately. Women will have their hair cut short before they shower. While you are showering, your clothing will be disinfected. Remember, the better your behavior, the easier your stay will be. The better your behavior, the easier your stay will be.
The future is built by us, by a powerful community as you here in this room. We have the means to improve the state of the world.
But fear not, all these things must come to pass. As it is written, "See, I am coming speedily. Hold what you have, that no one take your crown." All esteem unto Yahuwah, our Abba Father, through Yahushua his Son, love, joy, favor, and shalom